Means Woodshop merch is now available. Check the link down in the description.
Japanese handsaw. Japanese handsaw. I put sandwiches in the right.
Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Me and the boy, Adam.
And the dog, Herschel. Tangled up, dude. I'm ready. Finish your ice cream sandwich.
I'm trying. Average amount of stuff to follow up.
Yeah?
I guess we'll just go right into Friday's project. Harry Pietto won. Adam wanted me to leave it as it was.
It's just a big wand finger, big sausage wand.
Yeah. Before I put the pieces together, they seemed fine, and I put them together, and I was like, something didn't seem right.
Just a chub wand.
Yeah. I guess it was the video was more well received than I thought it would be. Heard from Roy.
Good old Roy Rivera.
I don't think you'd ever heard of the Osage orange. You probably have, Roy. It's also known as crab apples. Those big lumpy green things.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Why do they call it an orange tree then?
Well, it's not.
Are those technically oranges?
It's Osage orange. So people also call it Bodark. Bodark. Handy tip: don't burn Osage orange because it pops like really bad. Set your house on fire.
It's like bacon.
He wanted to know if it's in the hardwood or softwood category. Roy, it is in the hardwood category. It's the thing, boy. Just because something is a hardwood or a softwood has nothing to do with it. It's physical.
Hardness?
Balsa wood is technically a hardwood.
What the fuck?
Whoa. Harry Gary.
Good old Harry Gary.
He did say, remember, the wand chooses the wizard, not the other way around, so I guess it's just meant to be Kirk. He enjoyed the Japanese handshake.
Oh yeah, well I have only you to thank, Gary. I would never have thought about making Japanese handshaw unless you had mentioned something about it.
I used it in the video.
I know.
Working_man says, you are the best. Dude, thanks.
Thanks, working man.
Heard from Mary.
Mary!
Mary sounds kind of like me. Not really like a fan, but like if it's on TV, we'll just be like,
yeah, same.
Mary appreciated going back and slimming it down and not calling it good enough. Sometimes you can't call it good enough.
Sometimes you got to go back and work on it. Herschel is ruining everything. Come on,
Herschel,
man.
chill.
Oh no, not the dead rat.
Side note to Adam, the music seriously rocks, and all your music is really good.
I really appreciate that, Mary. It's been a long time, long work in the process.
Hey, Herschel. Hi, Herschel.
She's still on the show today.
Dude, I heard from Means Music Shop.
What? Who's that?
Yeah, saying Japanese handshaw is now on YouTube.
It is.
For listening.
It is. I have released it on YouTube. I got some stock footage to put behind it, and it is available on the Means Music Shop channel.
Oh, Luke Silverfish coming after me for the Harry Potter one.
Oh, it sounds like Luke Silverfish is one of them dirty Harry Potter hippies.
He wanted to know what kind of core I used in the wand. Hair from Junior. Luke.
Yeah, it's cat hair. Non-magical cat hair.
Spells will be inaccurate with the curve. I don't think so. You just gotta like point it right.
Yeah. Just put some iron sights on there.
He said he's questioning if I'm even a wizard, if not for my hat and my beard.
I don't know if you are or not, dude.
I'm not telling. Those were all the comments for the Harry Potter video. I'm excited for this Friday's project.
Yeah.
It's pretty dope. It's actually right
It's
there.
right over there. You can't see it though.
Yeah, only me and Adam know what it is right now.
Only we know. I guess I could read off some Means Music Shop comments.
Dude, you could.
Let's see. We all know everybody's reaction to Saw Blade, which was the first original sort of rock and roll. I'll read some of the comments for Japanese Handsaw. And of course Gary commented on it. He said, "Love the song. Great job." He asked me if this was a picture of me choking my chicken. And has my father-in-law, Lonnie, seen this? I don't think he has. He hasn't said anything to me about it. No, I am not choking the chicken. There were no chickens harmed in the making of this video. Cecily said, this is pretty great. She's loving it.
Hey,
Or he is loving it. I'm not... Cecily? I can be a man or a woman's name, I think. Roy Rivera said, this is a fucking awesome song.
dude, Roy's
I love it. I know. I really appreciate that, Roy.
We're glad that you're feeling it, Roy.
We are.
Yeah, it's kind of funny because Gary left the comment about it, and I was like, that's funny. And then, like, Adam's just like, hey, sends me a short little clip of it as he was working on it. I was like, what the fuck?
Means Woodshop said, hey, oh, getting that good stuff up, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This means Woodshop.
Who is Means Woodshop?
We did a pretty big follow-up last week. Had the announcement of Means Music Shop.
Yep.
The announcement of the Means Woodshop merch store.
Oh, yeah?
Sold some shirts.
You did?
Yeah, well, Remy.
Oh, Remy bought a shirt. That's cool. Thank you, Remy.
We had to move the camera because it started raining a little bit. Heard from Working Man.
Working Man!
Working Man's pretty new, but I've been hearing from Working Man. I'm glad you guys teaming up. Well,
so are we.
I guess so, but I mean, Adam's actually, you've kind of been along for the whole ride since the beginning.
Yeah, I just
He's
haven't...
been in a couple videos. Usually what would happen is we'd be hanging out and I'd be like, Adam, you want to be in an intro?
Sure.
You'd heard from Roy Boy.
Roy River.
Roy River Boy.
Roy River Creek.
He would like to hear classic rock, like 80s and 90s.
I could probably do some 90s. Maybe some 80s. Don't expect any high-pitched falsetto 80s
Or saxophone.
rock scream. Yeah, no saxophone. I can't do.
Roy said if I were to remake a video, do the beer mug.
Everybody wants the beer mug.
Most people want to see the beer mug. Heard from CJ. He said Irish punk would be cool.
I have been thinking about doing some punk.
Not familiar with Irish punk.
Like Flogging Molly. You might hear some punk.
Heard from Harry Gary.
Harry Gary. We always hear from Harry Gary. We love Harry Gary.
We love Harry Gary. In that video, he said, "Is Gary Harry?
Gary, are you Harry?
Gary's not Harry, dude.
Gary's. God damn
He
it.
said not Harry, no facial hair.
Herschel. I'm sorry we gave you such an inappropriate nickname, Gary.
He's a good sport about it.
You are a good sport, Gary. You're like the best sport.
Digging the merch store. Hey, yo, Gary, go buy something, dude.
Go buy something, Gary.
Herschel.
Herschel.
Heard from my dad. He wanted a Means Woodshop Rooster merch to be added to the shop. And there is a Rooster logo stuff.
And it's
available.
appropriate. That'll probably be your most successful shirt.
Rooster shirt, coffee mug, stickers. And my dad said, really picking your nose on camera?
All day long.
Oh, Mary said, loved me some Queen back in the day.
Us too.
Yeah, big Queen fans. Dude, heard from Kevin.
Kevin!
Talk about buying some shirts and stickers. Hey, yo, Kevin.
We appreciate that.
His suggestion for music was something soft, kind of background music that I could talk over would be nice. I think we got the perfect one almost in the can.
Yeah.
For
It's
that.
it's a few tweaks and edits and it should be ready to go. Keep an eye out for it on this channel and probably uploaded soon after that on my channel.
Dude, heard from Cecily as well. Cecily's a newcomer. Welcome, Cecily. Personally, can't wait to get Dad Burn eye protection shirt and stickers. Hey, yo. Are we ever going to set up a pack, like being able to purchase a pack of, like a bundle, I guess? I don't know, Cecily. I wouldn't mind doing that. I'll have to see if an option like that is available on that website. I heard from Luke Silverfish. He thought the camp out was this weekend, so he's in Beaver's Bend by himself. Not cool. Are you still there, Luke?
Are you still there? We could
Are you
come
gonna
up
just
there.
wait for until the meetup happens?
That's not smart.
He's just gonna live in Beaver's Bend for like a year or more.
We'll show up, he'll be bearded with long hair.
Hey guys! Jameis! He said, well, Dad Burn, in all caps. Said Southern metal or metalcore would be cool.
I could probably establish some Southern metal for sure.
Yeah, the boys like forte is metal.
Edit out me doing that. Do the horns instead.
Yeah, he said he'll be snagging a banana boat shirt or the dad burn eye protection. Hey, old J-Miss. He said anything bought from the merch store will really go a long way in supporting the channels. And what the fuck, dude? I'm talking.
I'm sorry.
Stop. Bless you.
Bless you.
Once again, awesome means woodshop swag.
Awesome means Woodshop swag.
Once again, anybody who has thoughts on contributing to how we can make the camp out happen, leave your ideas below.
Please do.
My weekly question this week is, Adam, what's your weekly question?
I don't have a weekly question. I thought
Fuck!
this is your responsibility. How many times should Caleb pick his nose in every one of his videos?
At least once.
At least once. He's all
So,
over
you know what, no weekly question this week. I can't think of it. Ask us a question and we'll yeah, Q&A.
Ask us a question and we'll answer it.
Q&A, your questions, we answer. I'll see you on Friday, and then we'll both see you next Wednesday.
Bye-bye.
Catch you next time, eh?
Alright, come on.
Herschel's. Keep being dope, dude.